Now we're going to use our pearl abrasive cutting wheel, and we're going to be cutting a 1/4 inch seal. Now let's get to cutting. So here we have a nice clean cut, and as you see, as usual, we'll have a little burrs, a little sharp edges. So now let's move to the next step for a nice smooth grind, and with that we're going to remove all the contaminants, all the mill scale and rust that's on our steel, and we're going to deburr our edges and get ready for our finishing touches. So now we're doing a swap, so you want to get in. Okay, so let's clean our piece up. So now we're going to use the pearl abrasive grinding disc, and we're going to show off the synthetic resinoid technology. It's really important before you weld that you clean your material fully, getting rid of any contaminants that can put discontinuity in your weld. Let's put the finishing touches on it and add a slight bevel for a groove weld. Now we're going to switch to the pearl abrasive zirconia flat disc for the nice smooth finishing touch. Here we have our 4.5 inch zirconia Z60 flat disc. This is about a medium sized flat disc. Now it has various sizes as well, depending on what type of abrasiveness that you're in need of. That took little to no effort at all and is already polished. I mean, I could almost see myself in this steel.